Now we are going to assemble this lily of the valley. Fold the floral stem wire in half and cut it into 2 sections with pliers or scissors. This one is already cut. Bend it at this position, like this. Then take the stamen out of the flower. Pass the stem wire through the center of the flower. Now, we should make the other side of the stem wire through out of the first circle, where is the position of the chain stitches. And then just pinch these two together. Then insert the stamen into the center of the flower with a crochet hook, like this. Put the yarn tails of the stamen on the hook. Pull the yarn tails through the center of the flower. Cut the yarn tails short. Take the green yarn, the same color as the leaves, leaving a tail about 5 cm. Pinch the yarn tails together, and then start winding. Wrap the first 2 rounds as tightly as possible, and you can wrap around for a few more times at the beginning. Then start wrapping evenly downwards. Pull the yarn as tightly as possible. You can start adding leaves at this position. The front side of the leaf should face the stem, like this. Wrap around and pull tightly. Add another leaf and let 2 leaves face each other. Pinch them. Continue to wrap around for another 1 cm or so. Then break yarn, leaving a tail about 10 cm long. Tie knots like this for fixation. Pull tight. Then assemble the flower and the soil. Insert the flower rod into the middle of the soil. Use the crochet hook to pull the yarn tails under the soil. Push the soil up to this place, under the leaves. And then pick the longer brown yarn to wrap around the rod. Then tie knots like this. Bend the extra stem into a loop so that it can be placed into a flower pot easily. Then we will put the flower into a pot. All the yarn tails should also be put into a pot. Then we need to add cotton into a pot. Try to stuff enough cotton around the stem so that we can keep the stem upright in the middle. Push the soil into a pot. Next, we will use the yarn about 20 cm, the same color as the soil, to sew up the pot and soil together. Counting from the top, except the lace, insert the needle in penultimate round of the pot, where is the position of the single crochet. Stitch upwards to the edge of the soil. Don't put all the yarn tail in and leave a little outside. Go down, and then go up. One stitch corresponding to one stitch. Sew up the whole round in the same way. Then conceal the yarn tail inside the pot. Cut off any excess end. Conceal another yarn tail in the same way. Cut off excess end. Push the bottom of the pot upwards a little bit so that it will be more stable. Adjust the leaves and flower rod properly. You can bend the flower rod a little bit. Okay, this little lily of the valley potted plant is completed.